What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I've got a lineup today of cops versus lawyers. I've done a couple of these before, and you guys love it. I read your comments, so backed by popular demand, here's another one. You guys enjoy it.
Do you smoke cannabis in this car at all, sir?
Oh, we're pulling the old I can smell cannabis trick out.
Turn it off.
I can keep
Turn
recording you.
Turn it off and take a jail. Hey, Bob, turn that off, okay?
No, I'll keep recording, thank you. It's my right.
Don't record me, you got me?
I will look. You're a police officer on duty. I can record you. And if you come to this side of the vehicle, I can keep recording you.
Turn it off.
I can keep recording you.
Turn it off and take a jail.
For recording you, I'm sitting in my car. I'm holding my phone. What is the law? What are you arresting me for? I'm sitting here in my car. I'm just recording in case anything happens. I'm surrounded by 5 police officers.
You're being a jerk.
I'm scared right now. I'm not being a jerk. I'm recording it in case anything happens.
Well, you better hope we don't find something in your car, okay?
They're not searching my car.
Well, I'm going to search your car.
You're not searching my car.
Roll canine this way, please.
Bring the canines. I don't care, man.
Okay.
I know my rights.
Hey, I hope so. I know what the law is.
I know the law. I'm an attorney, so I would hope I know the law.
And an Uber driver?
And here, man.
And an Uber driver.
You want my bar card?
An attorney is speaking out after what happened when he tried to record 2 officers during a traffic stop last month in Wilmington.
Jesse Bright says the officers told him it was illegal to record them because of a new law that recently passed. But as WWY's Hannah Patrick found out, that claim and video has now led to an internal police investigation. It is a big story at 6.
Turn that off, okay?
No, I'll keep recording. Thank you.
On February 26th, Brunswick County attorney and Uber driver Jesse Bright started recording when he got pulled over in Wilmington.
I explained that I was just an Uber driver and that, my passenger, I don't even know him.
He says the Wilmington police officer told Bright he had just taken his passenger to a known drug house.
Yeah, they questioned me about, what I was doing there, didn't seem to believe that I was an Uber driver.
Then he says the officer noticed Bright was recording.
Turn it off.
I can keep recording you.
Turn it off and take a jail.
Sergeant Becker told me it was illegal to film the police and told me to turn it off or he would take me to jail.
Bright did not stop.
I knew that he's just trying to coerce me to not film him anymore.
As an attorney, Bright says he tells all his clients to record interactions with law enforcement.
I didn't want to see anybody get fired or anything come of this. I really just want people to understand their rights.
Bright says his biggest concern is that this is happening often.
If he's willing to just directly lie to me and tell me, this is against the law to film the police, then it worries me. Most people, when they're given an order by an officer, they don't know that it's an unlawful order.
The Wilmington Police Department has launched an internal investigation.
The police department contacted me. He assured me that recording the police is within my right and that I didn't do anything wrong.
But Bright already knew that. He just wants to make sure you know that.
That you do have the right to stand up to police if you do so lawfully. If you're within your rights, you can tell an officer, no, I'm not going to do that. You don't have to be afraid to just listen to everything that they say.
In Wilmington, Hannah Patrick, WWAY News.
The New Hanover sheriff says he also reviewed Bright's video and believes it is clear that officers were incorrect. Both the sheriff and Wilmington's police chief told us they invite citizens to take pictures and videos. As for that traffic stop, no one was arrested.
Here we go again.
Not your engine off for me, sir, please.
Say that again, sorry?
Could you just knock your engine off for me, sir?
Why have you pulled me over this time?
Well, we just got a report of a vehicle matching this description, dealing drugs in the area. So, have you got your licence on you at all?
I have, yeah. Dealing drugs in this area?
That's correct, sir.
Right, what you need to do is take me off the ANPR registration because this is the 5th time this month to pull me over. Understand that?
You know the police force?
No, I am not. I work with the police.
Okay. And what's the capacity, sir?
I'm a solicitor.
A solicitor? Right. normal solicitor attire there, I see.
Yeah. So you're in a mood. Can you explain why you've pulled me over?
Like I say, so there's been reports of a vehicle matching this description dealing in the area. So we'd like to take a look around if that's okay with you.
That's not okay with me. I do not consent to searching my vehicle. Unless you have due suspicion that I am carrying illegal or illicit subject possessions, then you do not have the right to search my vehicle.
You smoke cannabis in this car also?
Oh, we're pulling the old I can smell cannabis trick, are we? Yeah. Spare with me, I can't find my license. I have my Australian license and my UK license, there you go.
Do you want to try at all?
No, I'm not. Do you understand the law at all, officer?
Well, I like to think that I've got a relatively good idea about it. How about yourself?
I'm a solicitor.
So you keep saying, but do you have any proof of that at all?
I don't need to prove anything to you. You've got my details there. Are you detaining me or am I free to go?
Well, we'd like to have a look around at your vehicle if you may.
Are you arresting me, officer?
I'm not arresting you at the moment, but we have our suspicions and we'd like to have a look around the vehicle.
What suspicions do you have?
As I say, this vehicle is matched with the
Can I have those back, please?
Yes, of course.
Okay, under the Section 163 of the Road Traffic Act, you are allowed to stop me. Under Section 164, you are not allowed to search my vehicle unless you've got evidence that I'm carrying something illegal. Evidence.
Well,
Where's
if you
the
were
evidence?
carrying anything, so you'd allow us to have a quick look around the vehicle, wouldn't it?
That's an argument that I'm not willing to go into.
Okay,
Am I free to go?
no, if you just hold on fire there for me, sir, while we just do our checks on your registration.
What checks are you doing?
We're just going to check the registration, see if there's anything outstanding on your vehicle,
You carry on.
and we'll go from there. Thank you, sir. Say that for me.
Okay, you realise I've issued your police department with a Section 10. You need to take my vehicle registration off your ANPR database.
Okay, well, if there's no problem there, sir, we'll make sure that happens.
If this carries on, I will be suing for compensation for stress and undue time delay.
Okay,
This has happened over and over again.
no
With
problem.
no fair explanation why I'm pulled over.
Okay, well, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it, sir. If you
You
just
go
bear
ahead.
with me, sir.
Florida State Attorney Aramis Ayala was pulled over by the Orlando police on June 19th, 2017.
You're good. What agency you with?
I'm the state attorney.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Your tag didn't come back. Never seen that before. I'm sorry? Yeah. We're good now.
So it was.
We ran the tag. I've never seen it before. A Florida tag. It's never come back to anything before. So that's the reason for the stop.
What was the tag run for?
I'm sorry?
What was the tag run for?
Oh, we run tags all the time, whether it's at traffic lights and that sort of stuff. That's how we figure out if, cars are stolen and that sort of thing. Also, the windows were really dark. I don't have a tint measurer, but that's another reason for the stop.
All right. Do you guys have cards on you?
Yeah, 1 second. Actually, this isn't my car, but I can write my name down if you'd like.
Yeah, he put my name on it.
What's your employee number? 157. Ready? There you are. Have a good day.
I'll watch how these wussy cops walk backwards all the way to their car, like they're afraid of everything that moves. They're literally trained to be afraid of everything.
On the window to talk to you is all I'm actually legally required to do. There's no reason for me to leave the vehicle.
Are you sure about that, little Miss Know-It-All? Because you think you know the law better than me. I'm a trained police officer. Hi there, can you turn your engine off for me, please? Keep your hands on the steering wheel as well.
Sure.
Turn the engine up. Do you know why I pulled you over today?
Well, actually I don't, because I wasn't speeding and my car's in perfect condition.
So, do you know when you take off from being in a standstill, if you go too fast, that's accelerating too fast, which is what you've just done.
Right, yeah, sorry, yes, that was my mistake. Okay, so are we okay then? Am I okay to go, because I was barely over the speed limit?
I would like your license and registration. Okay. Can you get that for me?
Yeah,
Come on,
okay,
hurry up.
not a problem.
Thank you. Can you step out of the vehicle for me?
Rolling down the window to talk to you is all I'm actually legally required to do. There's no reason for me to leave the vehicle.
Are you sure about that, little Miss Know-It-All? Because you think you know the law better than me. I'm a trained police officer.
Okay, well, that's good. I'm a solicitor, so yeah, I do know the law.
Sure about that?
Yes, I am sure about that. I've done several years of training in London, have my LPC.
Is that right?
Yes, I'm now...
Anything else you would like to add to that list?
Would there be any point?
You're an assistant at best. Come on, we both do. You're just using big words and you're making up that you're a lawyer.
No, you're expecting me to get out of the car when there's no reason for me to do so.
A police officer who has asked you to get out of your vehicle, therefore, because I have asked you, you have to get out of your vehicle.
No, I think you'll find... Read up on the law. I have rolled down the window, I have spoken with you. That's all I'm legally required to do.
So is this what you learned at your big fancy law firm?
I apologise, I accelerated a little too swiftly, yes, but come on, I was barely over the speed limit.
Barely over the speed limit.
I think we can...
So, no, I'm going to ask you again. Can you get out of your vehicle, please?
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not prepared to get out of the vehicle because there's no need for me to get out of the vehicle. I'm happy to... I've given you my details. You know, I mean, call my office if you want to check.
Me calling them up is not going to prove anything.
Well, you have my card. Feel free to call, speak to the boss.
You know what? Don't get your knickers in a twist. Have you got your MOT certificate?
It's actually not in the car at the moment. I had it serviced last week and I haven't yet put the updated certificate in the glove compartment.
Right, you know what? I'm not happy with this tone of voice that you're giving me. I'm an officer of the law.
Yes, I think we've established that.
If you continue to be disrespectful to me, I'll bring you into the station.
You won't actually, because I think you'll find that Section D protects motorists by giving them 7 days in which to produce their MOT certificate. I don't have to give it to you now. If it's not in the car, I have 7 days with which to find it. I do know where it is, and bring it into the police station. So, can we leave it there?
Well, no, because I've asked you to get out of your vehicle multiple times and you're refusing.
That's right, I am refusing, as is my right. My legal right.
Would you like me to arrest you?
Well, you're very welcome to arrest me, but
what is your big boss at your law firm going to do if I arrest you?
I think my...
Absolutely nothing.
I think you'll find my big boss at my law firm will come down on you like a ton of bricks.
A ton of bricks on me. This imaginary law firm.
There's the imaginary card. Why don't you give them an imaginary call?